Best fruit smoothie recipes for weight loss. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Healthful Living. Today, we have a treat for you as we delve into the world of delicious and nutritious fruit smoothie recipes that can help you on your weight loss journey. I'm thrilled to share these mouth-watering smoothies with you. Let's blend our way to a healthier and happier you. Segment 1. Benefits of fruit smoothies for weight loss. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why fruit smoothies are a fantastic addition to your weight loss plan. 1. Nutrient-dense. Fruit smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, providing essential nutrients while keeping the calorie count in check. 1. Satiety. The fiber in fruits helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the chances of unhealthy snacking. 1. Hydration. Smoothies are an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially if you struggle to drink enough water throughout the day. 1. Versatility. You can customize your smoothies with a variety of fruits and other ingredients to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. The benefits of the best fruit smoothie recipes for weight loss are significant and can greatly contribute to your overall wellness journey. Let's explore some of the advantages. A. Low in calories. Fruit smoothies are naturally low in calories, especially when prepared with a base of water or low-calorie liquids like almond milk or coconut water. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their overall calorie intake while still enjoying a satisfying meal. B. High in nutrients. The best fruit smoothie recipes are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruits like berries, citrus, and leafy greens are rich in vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate, which support overall health and well-being. C. Rich in fiber. Fiber is essential for weight loss as it promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. Fruit smoothies, especially those with whole fruits or added greens, are excellent sources of dietary fiber, helping to curb hunger and prevent overeating. D. Hydration. Many fruits have high water content, making fruit smoothies an excellent way to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for weight loss and overall health as it supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and energy levels. E. Easy to digest. Blending fruits and vegetables breaks down their cellular walls, making the nutrients more easily absorbed by the body. This aids digestion, reducing the strain on the digestive system and promoting a more efficient metabolism. F. Natural sweetness. The natural sugars present in fruits provide a pleasant sweetness to the smoothies, reducing the need for added sugars or artificial sweeteners. This is beneficial for those looking to cut down on refined sugars and maintain stable blood sugar levels. G. Satisfying and filling. Fruit smoothies can be incredibly filling, especially when combined with sources of protein and healthy fats like Greek yogurt, chia seeds, or nut butter. A satisfying smoothie can help prevent unhealthy snacking and keep you on track with your weight loss goals. H. Customizable. The beauty of fruit smoothies lies in their versatility. You can customize them to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Whether you prefer tropical flavors, berry blends, or green smoothies, there's a recipe that's perfect for you. I. Convenient. Fruit smoothies are quick and easy to prepare, making them an ideal option for those with busy schedules. They are portable and can be taken on the go, ensuring you have a healthy option whenever hunger strikes. J. Promotes healthy habits. Incorporating fruit smoothies into your weight loss plan can encourage you to adopt healthier eating habits. By including more fruits and vegetables in your diet, you're making a positive change towards a more balanced and nutrient-rich lifestyle. K. Supports exercise and recovery. Fruit smoothies can be a great pre- or post-workout option. They provide a quick source of energy before exercise and can aid in muscle recovery with their blend of vitamins and minerals. L. Boosts metabolism. Some fruits, like citrus fruits and berries, contain compounds that can boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Consuming these fruits in smoothies can contribute to your weight loss efforts. In conclusion, the best fruit smoothie recipes for weight loss offer an array of benefits that support your overall health and wellness. They provide a tasty and nutritious way to manage your calorie intake, stay hydrated, and fuel your body with essential nutrients. Incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine can be a delightful and effective way to reach your weight loss goals and maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Segment 2. Preparing your smoothie station. To ensure a smooth blending process, let's set up a smoothie station with all the necessary ingredients and tools. Step 1. Gather an assortment of fresh and frozen fruits like berries, bananas, mangoes, and spinach. Don't forget some healthy add-ins like chia seeds, Greek yogurt, and nut butter. Step 2. Prepare your liquid base options. Almond milk, coconut water, and low-fat milk are excellent choices to keep the smoothie creamy and flavorful. Step 3. Keep some ice cubes on hand to add thickness and chill your smoothie, especially if you're using fresh fruits. Step 4. Have a powerful blender ready to create a smooth and luscious texture. A blender with multiple speed settings and a pulse function is ideal. Segment 3. Recipe 1. Berry Blast Smoothie. Let's start with a classic and refreshing Berry Blast smoothie that's bursting with antioxidants and flavor. Step 1. In your blender, add 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, half a ripe banana, and a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Step 2. Pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk for a creamy consistency and a splash of pure honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Step 3. For added protein, include 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Step 4. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and pour your Berry Blast smoothie into a tall glass. Step 5. Garnish with a few fresh berries and a sprig of mint, and you're ready to savor the goodness. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout refuel. Segment 4. Recipe 2. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Next, we're taking you to a tropical paradise with a vibrant and energizing smoothie. Step 1. In your blender, add 1 cup of ripe mango chunks, 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks, and a small piece of fresh ginger for a zesty kick. Step 2. Pour in 1 cup of coconut water to enhance the tropical flavors and hydrate your body naturally. Step 3. For a creamy texture and added protein, include 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt. Step 4. Add a handful of baby spinach for some green goodness that blends seamlessly with the tropical fruits. Step 5. Blend everything until you achieve a velvety consistency, and pour your tropical paradise smoothie into a fun, tiki-style glass. Step 6. Top it off with a sprinkle of shredded coconut and a slice of fresh pineapple for a tropical garnish that will transport you to an island paradise. Segment 5. Recipe 3. Green Goddess Smoothie. Now, let's embrace our inner green goddess with a supercharged and nutrient-rich smoothie. Step 1. In your blender, add 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1/2 cup of chopped cucumber, and 1/2 avocado for a creamy texture and healthy fats. Step 2. Pour in 1 cup of coconut water to keep the smoothie light and refreshing. Step 3. Include a tablespoon of chia seeds for an omega-3 boost and added thickness. Step 4. For a touch of tanginess, squeeze in the juice of half a lime or lemon. Step 5. Blend all the ingredients until you achieve a silky green concoction, and pour your Green Goddess smoothie into a tall glass. Step 6. Garnish with a slice of lime or a sprig of mint, and you have a vibrant and nutrient-packed smoothie that will make you feel like a true green goddess. Segment 6. Wrapping up. Congratulations! You've now mastered 3 fabulous fruit smoothie recipes that are perfect for weight loss and overall well-being. Remember, smoothies are incredibly versatile, so feel free to experiment with different fruit combinations and add-ins to create your perfect blend. If you enjoyed these recipes and want more nutritious inspiration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Healthful Living channel. Stay tuned for more delightful recipes and wellness tips. Thank you for joining us today. Cheers to a healthier and happier you with these tasty fruit smoothies.